out here.
Well, check out music stuff too.
Yeah. You'll see me on there promoting everything, and you'll be in it. So I'm gonna tag you and send it to you, make sure you see it. Because IG's algorithm be tripping.
Actually, we could do it with you walking, which is on the GoPro like this.
Let's see if I got some money on me.
So this is a cool scene while we walking down, just a random GoPro shot. I can make it look like a VCH, VSH. I always say VCH, it's VSH. So you can play the song while we walk.
Okay. A couple dollars, it don't look too cool, but
He has real money, guys. No rapper money.
he got money. You look a paper never.
Let's do it on the boat.
Next time.
Next time!
Let's go.
I wish you would just be like, y'all can ride with me to go turn it in if y'all just get back however.
Right.
I'm trying to tell you how our lives is. We're at house. Tampa, Florida, man. I like being out of town because you be looking like you're not from that city. So it be like, the hoes be knowing. Yeah, it's all same from here. Elsewhere. Them look nice as hell, like some nice cars. There's the guy that would've got our bags and would've left.
They're fast.
Stereotype. Trying to tell you how our lives is. So you thinking like facing the water?
Yep.
We like just right in the middle right here? Going cray-cray?
Yeah.
It's crazy, huh? I just recorded the song. I gotta make sure I'm hitting the words right. Way up in large amounts. Paper never hard to come. Steakhouse is balling up. Top tier exotic shops. High-end barbershops. Business and merchant counts. Bring my son and my daughter out. Tell them paper never hard to come. Paper never hard to come. Put that shit up, nigga. Bring it out.
That was kind of perfect. Just put it up, you point it up, I just went up.
Oh, yeah. When I stick my grips tight, I used to clench my grip.
Red Hounds. Content, Tampa. We travel to make it happen. We spend our own money for this, right?
All right.
Investments.
OPP.
I only went like once to Manhattan. That was like 7. But yeah, they did have this. A lot of stories.
I recorded 0.5 in New York.
Oh yeah, you did.
Manhattan. Florida's for the tourists.
In paradise, when you see palm trees, it's instantly paradise.
Weighing up in large amounts. Pull up behind you.
Yeah, that part up there makes me think of New Orleans. Yeah. Sentiments. outside with the owner. She said she got to show him something.
That's right here, all right?
Appreciate you, man.
All right.
Which is cool because you have the lights of the hotels and stuff. But if you're out in the middle of the bay at night, you can't see anything.
Yourself in the screen?
Yeah. Actually do. It's pretty much square too. I mean, this was like, can be turned around here. Just to straighten up. What you was about to say?
Is it pretty tight? Like, can you move the GoPro down?
A tad bit. If I press what?
If you make sure it's like as straight as possible, and then try to tighten that knob. You see the knob? It's on the side. This one we just going slow. Yeah. Yeah, I think it's cool if you get close like this, yeah. He didn't seem like it was a problem.
What?
You gotta get up closer to me. 1%. Huh? In my bag. Oh, wait.